Hey, what's up guys? So today I have here's a GoPro 10. So this is the special bundle, comes with everything, even comes with a memory card. So it comes nice and packed like this, and believe it or not, it came in 2 days. Awesome. This video will be all about unboxing it, showing you exactly what it comes in it, and there will be another video showing how it records and how good it is. So it comes in the bag like this when you do receive it. If you do buy the special bundle, okay? So I do own a GoPro 7 and I just sold my GoPro 6. So now I decided to upgrade to my GoPro 10. So you get a memory card and it's a 32 gigabyte. Okay, memory card. Take it out. Okay, so this is it right here. Tell you a little bit about it. It is a 23 megapixel, 5.3K 60 hertz, 4K 120 hertz, 2.7, 240. So you can go down to 33 feet. You got voice command, 8 times slow-mo, data overlay, time warp, 1080p live streaming, super photo HDR raw photos. It uploads automatically, webcam mode, and mod ready. So you can buy different mods, like you can buy the extra mic, you can get the LED lights. So this is it right here. You download this app. So what comes in it, you get your camera, battery, your cable, your screw, your adapters, and also you get an extra battery, you get a tripod, and all the extra accessory, and then you get a case, and that's pretty cool. Get it open. Got the little tab right here, you can tell that's brand new. Okay, love the case. I was planning to get a new case, but for what? This is perfect. Get it open. Okay, everything is lined up very nice. You have your little slot up here, you can put different things, and also you have stickers and stuff like that, and if you have any questions. So you have down here, you have your GoPro tripod. Get a nice little tripod. Very hard. Nice little tripod. GoPro. Okay, you get your 2 batteries. These are pretty much the same battery for the GoPro 9. You get these special tabs, all GoPro. The screws to mount. And you get this magnetic, so you can lock your camera on it. And you get your cable. Your cable. Very nice. So the camera itself, you can see here, very nice. Everything seems so hard to get up. So you can see here, it looks a little bit bigger than the other ones. You have to dual screen. You got one here and you got one back here, so you can selfie and you can do regular. So you have your little mounts in the bottom. So now this side, the tab is very hard, but you bring it down and you bring it up. So right here goes your battery, your charging cable, and your memory card. And you lock it in. Very, very nice camera. Like it so far. There will be more videos coming up on using it and stuff like that. I just didn't want to make the unboxing video so long. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll show you a little more about the camera. Awesome. Okay guys, so getting started with the GoPro 10. So basically you will need your camera, a memory card, and a battery. So you have your camera, very nice, brand new. Okay, so you get this little tab right here. It's a little hard, but it gets open. And here you have your battery, and you have your memory card, and this is your charging wire or computer wire. So you see the back of it, the battery will go in just like this. Click right on. Your memory card will stick right in the side, just like that. And you lock it in. Power buttons right here. This is power and also your modes. Okay, so we'll turn it on. Beautiful GoPro. The screen looks a lot bigger. Look at the front one. Beautiful. Of course English, but you do have France, Dutch, Italiano, Espanol, I guess some kind of Asian, Portuguese, etc. So I'm gonna go with English. So by using the GoPro, I agree to, okay. Turn on the footage location. I could turn that on. Okay, so now I gotta get on my phone and I have to finish getting connected. Okay. All right, so the camera's right here. Sorry that the screen is so small. So you go into GoPro. And it's called GoPro Quick. Okay, you had GoPro camera. This is for my GoPro 7. Top corner has a little camera. Now it's searching. Okay, you hit connect. Pair. There you go. Okay, it's connected. Put your GoPro name. Done. Okay, so basically got it all completed. So now I definitely gotta charge it. It's very low, but that's how you connect your GoPro. Update camera, so it's gonna do everything that it has to do and is all set. Awesome camera so far.